Hi, this is Dre'Jon Williams again. Of course, this crossing scares the crap out of me, but we have another eastbounder coming on down the track. Southwest crossing. We're going to catch it here. It is engines 8924, 73. Damn it, I can't believe it did this to me again. Oh, damn, Clinton. I'm going to stop doing that. Like an intermodal stack train coming on by. On track 2, UP Litton Trail. We're gonna catch it from right here. There ain't no reason for me to catch it all the way over there again. Damn. The Clinton did it to me again. Sorry, I'm moving the camera too much. I'm trying to get situated. I was all set, ready to go. This train just came out of nowhere, like the last one did. So we're gonna catch it from right here. Oh, that's some boo. That is some boo. Boo. Hi. Oh. Hey. Boy, this Clinton surprises me too much. I missed the track clearance green and everything. Well, that's alright. Here comes the end of the train. I can see it already. It's coming up. Boy, I tell you, this Clinton has a lot of surprises, man. I was just about to hit the Fondra. This train came out of nowhere. So it was an intermodal. It's a stack train intermodal with a DPU on the back of it. Whoa, y'all got a red. Hold on, what y'all doing? $53.98 is the DPU. That light about to change. I'm all honking. Yeah, all that damn honking. Boy, tell you. All right. Gates. And northbound gets the green. This concludes end of train. That scared the crap out of me. Thank you for watching. This will be on YouTube. Dre'Jon Williams out.